Guys, today we're at this abandoned Carolina car wash, but I don't know when this closed. This probably closed early this year, so check this out. Oh, trash on the floor. This used to be their vacuum area stuff. This is a few people draw it on the wall. Weird. More stuff. Yep, it was closed early this year. Yep, closed for, I don't know what that says. It's closed for me. This is where you get your money. It's closed right now. Look at that. This is where you clean your car. This is weird. It's not in business no more. Yep, they took everything down. Oh gosh, what is here? Should I? There we go. Yep, this door is blocked off. Oh goodness, this one is boarded up. Look at this. All this stuff. Look at all this stuff over here. Can't even get inside that one because it's boarded up. Might as well go. All this wood, they took everything down. All this wood has been taken down because they closed this location for good. Because what the heck is this? That one's boarded up. Alright, that's the abandoned Carolina car wash. See y'all later. Peace out.